Did you know that the average person uses only about 20% of the vocabulary they know in daily conversation? That means even with a limited vocabulary, you can sound natural and fluent.
That's so true, John. I remember when I was learning English, I knew hundreds of words, but still sounded like a textbook. People would look at me with confused faces when I said things like, I desire to consume a cup of coffee, instead of, I'd like a coffee.
That happens to so many learners. They know the words, but not how native speakers actually use them in real life. It's like having all the ingredients for a cake, but not knowing the recipe.
Learning to sound natural in English is like learning to dance. At first, you focus on each step and it feels awkward. But with practice, the movements become automatic, and soon you're not just dancing, you're expressing yourself.
What a beautiful way to put it, Amy. Remember, every native speaker was once a beginner. Every fluent person you admire started exactly where you are now. They made mistakes, they felt awkward, but they kept listening and practicing.
Today, we're going to give you 100 essential sentences that native speakers use every day. These aren't complicated phrases, just simple, natural expressions that will make your English sound more fluent immediately.
That's right. These sentences will help you in everyday situations, at restaurants, when shopping, meeting new people, or just having casual conversations. You'll sound more natural, understand others better, and speak with more confidence. Hi everyone, I'm John, and I'm here with my co-host Amy.
Hello, listeners. I'm Amy. John, I remember when I first moved to an English-speaking country, I could read and write well, but talking to people was so difficult.
And I remember teaching English and seeing students who knew grammar rules perfectly but couldn't order coffee naturally. Today, we're going to fix that problem with practical, easy-to-use sentences.
Before we start, if you find this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Fluent Hub English. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
Let's begin with our first role play. In this scene, Amy will be a barista at a cafe, and I'll be a customer ordering coffee and food. Scene 1. At a cafe. Hi there. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. What can I get for you?
I'd like a coffee, please. Do you have any recommendations?
Our special today is the caramel latte. It's really popular.
That sounds good. I'll have one of those.
Sure thing. Would you like anything to eat with that?
What do you suggest? I'm pretty hungry.
Our blueberry muffins are fresh this morning. They're delicious.
Perfect. I'll take one of those as well.
Great choice. Would that be for here or to go?
For here, please.
All right. Your total comes to $8.50.
Here you go. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Just tap your card right here.
Thanks. By the way, do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we do. The password is on the wall over there.
Awesome. Where should I wait for my order?
You can wait at the end of the counter. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Sounds good. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee and muffin.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. John, let's look at some important phrases from this conversation. First, what can I get for you? This is a common way service staff ask what you want to buy. It's friendlier than asking, what do you want?
Next, do you have any recommendations? This is a great way to ask for suggestions when you're not sure what to choose. You can use this in restaurants, shops, or anywhere you need help deciding.
Another useful phrase is, that sounds good. Native speakers use this all the time to agree to a suggestion. It's more natural than saying, yes, I want that.
Would that be for here or to go? Is a common question in cafes and restaurants. For here means you'll eat or drink at the restaurant, while to go or to take away means you'll take it with you.
And finally, where should I wait for my order? This is a polite way to ask where you should stand or sit while waiting for your food or drink. Guided practice. John, now let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. What can I get for you? Do you have any recommendations? That sounds good. Would that be for here or to go? Where should I wait for my order? I'd like a coffee, please. Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Great job! Now try to use these phrases in your own sentences. Imagine you're at a cafe. What would you say to order your favorite drink? Scene 2. At the airport.
For our second role play, Amy will be a traveler at the airport, and I'll be an airline staff member helping her.
Excuse me, could you help me find my gate?
Of course! May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here it is. I'm a bit nervous because I've never flown before.
Don't worry at all. Flying for the first time can be confusing, but I'll help you. Your flight is to Paris, correct?
Yes, that's right. How long does it take to get to the gate from here?
It's about a 10-minute walk. Would you like me to show you the way?
That would be very helpful. Thank you so much.
No problem. First, we need to go through security. Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Just a small bottle of water. Is that okay?
Actually, you'll need to finish that before going through security or throw it away.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome. After security, you'll see signs for all the gates. Just follow the signs for gate B24.
What time should I be at the gate?
Boarding starts 45 minutes before departure. I recommend being there at least 30 minutes before.
Is there anywhere to buy food near the gate?
Yes, there are several cafes and restaurants after security. You'll have plenty of options.
That's great to know. One more question. Where are the restrooms?
They're right over there, next to the information desk.
Perfect. You've been so helpful. I feel much better now.
I'm glad I could help. Have a wonderful flight.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. Let's look at some key phrases from this conversation. First, excuse me, could you help me find my gate? This is a polite way to ask for help at the airport. Starting with excuse me makes your question more polite.
Next, I'm a bit nervous because this is a great way to express your feelings and explain why. Native speakers often share their feelings when asking for help.
Another useful phrase is, how long does it take to get to? This helps you ask about time and distance, which is very helpful when traveling.
That would be very helpful. Is a polite way to accept someone's offer of help. It's nicer than just saying yes.
And finally, is there anywhere to buy food near? This is a practical question you can use in many places, not just airports. You can ask about shops, restrooms, ATMs, and more. Guided practice. Now, let's practice these airport phrases. Repeat after me. Excuse me, could you help me? I'm a bit nervous because...
How long does it take to get to the gate? That would be very helpful.
Is there anywhere to buy food near here?
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Where are the restrooms?
Excellent. Now imagine you're at an airport. What questions would you ask? Try to create your own short conversation using these phrases.
Scene 3. Shopping.
For our third role play, I'll be a shopper in a clothing store, and Amy will be a store assistant helping me.
Hi there. Are you finding everything okay today?
Not really. I'm looking for a gift for my sister's birthday.
I'd be happy to help. What does your sister like?
She loves comfortable clothes, maybe a sweater or something casual.
We just got some new sweaters in. Would you like to see them?
Yes, please. Do you have this in blue?
Let me check for you. What size does she wear?
She usually wears a medium.
I found one in medium. Would you like to see it?
Yes, that's perfect. How much is it?
It's $45, but we have a sale today. All sweaters are 20% off.
That's a good deal. Do you have gift boxes?
Yes, we do. I can wrap it for you for free.
That would be great. Do you accept returns?
Yes, you can return or exchange within 30 days with the receipt.
Perfect. I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Just tap your card here when you're ready.
Here you go. Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome. I'm sure your sister will love it.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. Let's examine some important phrases from this shopping conversation. First, are you finding everything okay today? This is a friendly way store assistants ask if you need help. It's better than, "Can I help you?" because it gives you a chance to say no if you're just browsing.
Next, I'm looking for a gift. This is a great way to start when you need help finding something specific. You can also say, "I'm looking for," followed by anything you need.
Another useful phrase is, "Do you have this in blue?" This helps you ask if something is available in a different color, size, or style. You can change blue to whatever you need.
How much is it is the simplest way to ask about price. You can also say, "What's the price?" or "How much does this cost?"
And finally, do you accept returns? This is an important question when shopping for gifts. It asks if you can bring the item back if the person doesn't like it or if it's the wrong size.
We just got some new sweaters in.
That's a good deal.
Great job. Now imagine you're shopping for something you need. How would you ask for help? Try to create your own shopping conversation using these phrases.
Scene 4. At a doctor's office. For our final role play, Amy will be a patient at a doctor's office, and I'll be the receptionist.
Good morning. I have an appointment at 10:30.
Good morning. Could I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Amy Wilson.
Thank you, Miss Wilson. Please take a seat. The doctor will be with you shortly.
Thank you. By the way, I'm a new patient. Is there anything I need to fill out?
Yes, here's a new patient form. Could you complete this while you wait?
Of course. How long will the wait be?
The doctor is running a little behind schedule. It should be about 15 minutes.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry.
Great. There's water and magazines if you'd like something while you wait.
Thank you. Could you tell me where the restroom is?
It's just down the hall on your right.
Perfect. I'll be right back.
Later with the doctor. Hello, Miss Wilson. I'm Dr. Smith. What seems to be the problem today?
Hello, doctor. I've been having headaches for the past few days.
I see. When did they start?
They started about a week ago. They get worse in the afternoon.
Are you taking any medication?
No, I'm not. I tried some painkillers, but they didn't help much.
Let me examine you. Please sit here.
Of course. Do you think it's serious?
It's probably nothing serious, but we should run some tests just to be sure.
Whatever you think is best, doctor.
We'll do some blood tests and see what the results show.
How long will it take to get the results?
You should have them by tomorrow afternoon.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Take care, and we'll be in touch soon.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
Let's look at some key phrases from this medical conversation. First, I have an appointment at 10:30. This is how you announce that you have a scheduled time to see someone. You can change the time to match your appointment.
Next, please take a seat. The doctor will be with you shortly. This is a common phrase in offices and clinics. Shortly means soon or in a little while.
Another useful phrase is, what seems to be the problem today? This is how doctors often ask why you've come to see them. It's a polite way to ask about your health issue.
I've been having headaches for the past few days is a good way to describe a health problem that started in the past and continues now. You can change headaches to any symptom and past few days to any time period.
And finally, how long will it take to get the results? This is an important question when having medical tests. You can also use this phrase in other situations, like asking about test results in school or when something will be ready.
Guided practice. John, now let's practice these medical phrases. Repeat after me. I have an appointment at 10:30. Please take a seat. What seems to be the problem today? I've been having headaches. How long will it take to get the results? Is there anything I need to fill out? The doctor will be with you shortly.
Excellent work. Now, imagine you need to visit a doctor. What would you say? Try to create your own short conversation using these phrases. Recap at the 10-minute mark. John, let's quickly review what we've learned so far. We've covered 100 essential sentences that native speakers use in everyday situations.
First, we learned useful phrases for cafes and restaurants, like, what can I get for you? And would that be for here or to go? These will help you order food and drinks naturally.
Then, we practiced airport phrases such as, excuse me, could you help me? And how long does it take to get to the gate? These will make traveling much easier.
Next, we looked at shopping expressions like, I'm looking for a gift, and do you have this in blue? These will help you find what you need when shopping.
Finally, we learned medical phrases such as, I have an appointment, and what seems to be the problem? These will help you communicate at doctors' offices and hospitals.
All these phrases are simple but essential for sounding more natural in English. Practice them regularly and you'll soon be speaking more like a native speaker.
Listener challenge. Now it's your turn. We have a challenge for you. In the comments below, write a short conversation using at least 3 phrases you learned today. You can write about ordering coffee, asking for directions at an airport, shopping for clothes, or visiting a doctor.
We'll read as many comments as we can and give you feedback on your English. This is a great way to practice what you've learned today.
To wrap up, remember that sounding natural in English isn't about knowing big words. It's about using the right phrases in the right situations.
We've covered 100 essential sentences that will help you sound more like a native speaker in cafes, airports, shops, and doctors' offices. Use them, practice them, and make them your own.
Thank you for joining us on Fluent Hub English today. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content.
Join us next time when we'll be talking about common English idioms and expressions. Until then, keep practicing and stay confident.
Goodbye.
Bye.